If you have seen the Tecno Spark 10, you would know it's similar to the Tecno Spark 20 in design. The Tecno Spark 20 was launched 1st of December 2023 into the Tecno Spark series. If you enjoy taking photos on smartphones with nice cameras, you'll be amazed because it comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. We will talk more about the camera later. Currently, Tecno hasn't announced the price of the smartphone in Nigeria, but it is expected it will be sold for around 110,000 naira. In this video, we're going to be talking a lot about the smartphone to help you make an informed decision if this is the right smartphone for you. The smartphone comes with MediaTek Helio G85 processor, runs on iOS 13 and based on Android 13. It comes with 4GB RAM and expandable to 8GB RAM. We will talk about the design and build quality, software and performance, camera, and also the battery. If you wish to see more amazing content like this from me, consider hitting that subscribe button. The box is similar to Tecno Spark 10 box. Let's see what's inside the box. Tecno has always been generous with its accessories and the Tecno Spark 20 is no exception. Opening the box, you'll find the phone, a charger, an earpiece, a silicone TPU case, a SIM ejector tool, and a warranty card. Tecno Spark 20 design is similar to the Spark 10 and a few other smartphones in the market. The design looks more like the iPhones with 3 cameras, and if you look closely at the camera design, you'll notice it's slightly bigger. The Tecno Spark 20 comes in Cyber White, Gravity Black, Magic Skin 2.0 Blue, and Neon Blue color. It also comes with Bluetooth version 5.2, sensors like ambient light sensors, proximity sensors, magnetometer, and fingerprint. You will also notice the Tecno Spark 10 text written at the back of the device. It also has a side mount fingerprint scanner. The SIM tray is on the left side of the device and comes with a dual SIM and a memory card slot. Under the device, you will find the headphone jack, microphone, USB-C charging port, and a speaker grill at the top and bottom. Here's what the dual speaker of the Tecno Spark 20 sound like. The sound is well balanced, but the bass is not punchy, which is something not to be worried about based on its price. I love the fact that the smartphone has a flat edge, which makes it easy to balance on the table without falling. The device doesn't come with wireless charging. It has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a screen resolution of 720p. The high refresh rate makes it easy to scroll. If you have watched the video to this point, it means you are enjoying it, and I would appreciate it if you could give this video a like and also subscribe to see future content. A notable feature of the Tecno Spark 20 is the inclusion of memory fusion. Despite having 4GB RAM initially, this can be expanded to 8GB RAM by utilizing some storage space on the phone. The smartphone comes in 2 storage variants, 128GB RAM and 256GB RAM respectively. The Tecno Spark 20 incorporates a dynamic port feature just like the iPhone Dynamic Island. While the iPhone Dynamic Island offers app controls, the Tecno Spark 20's functionality is more limited. It primarily provides visual appealing animations and activities such as incoming calls and when the phone is charging. As expected, the device comes with some pre-installed apps, but the good news is that there aren't an overwhelming number of bootware applications. The MediaTek Helio G85 proves itself to be quite decent in performance. Users won't experience noticeable lag during regular phone usage and applications open swiftly, providing a smooth and responsive interface. Recently, MediaTek introduced the MediaTek Dimensity processor, which is expected to perform better than the Snapdragon 8. I'm expecting to see such processor in the Spark series hopefully next year. The MediaTek Helio G85 allows for efficient multitasking, enabling multiple apps to run smoothly in the background. However, it's worth noting that heavy games might push the device to its limits. Well, I won't advise heavy gaming on the device due to its processor. It can handle low and medium games perfectly, but coming to heavy games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile, you might experience little lags. Moving on to the camera capabilities, the Tecno Spark 20 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a 50 megapixel primary camera, the secondary depth lens at the back, along with a notable upgrade to the front camera, which is 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The device is poised to capture movements with precision. Tecno has made strides in improving the camera setup, ensuring that users can capture high quality images with both rear and front cameras. In conclusion, the Tecno Spark 20 proves to be a well-rounded device offering commendable processor performance and an upgraded camera system. Whether you're a casual user or a mobile gamer, the Tecno Spark 20 holds its own in the competitive budget smartphone market. What's your take on the device? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.